Hello friends, I am coming with one paragraph of Pathfinder kinematics. This paragraph is completely based on this diagram. So we should focus on this diagram and we can very easily solve. I will read firstly what the question is saying and what is the wording of the question. A stone is dropped from the top of a tower, and before it hits the ground, another stone is also dropped. Okay. So here it is also given in this question simply both stone will not start simultaneously. Okay. And dropping means initial velocity is 0 of both stone. These two information is given. Separation as between the stone is plotted against the time, assuming that the stone do not bounce from the ground, means after striking the ground it will stick. So portion OA and BC of the graph are parabolic, while portion AB is a straight line. Against due to gravity is G, which is 10 meter per second square. So it is asking what is the height of the tower, and when the first stone hits the ground, the second stone was moving. So we can simply write this question and I will tell you clearly, you can very easily understand this question. Suppose let's assume this is a ground, and in this ground one tower, this is say called this is a tower of height capital H, and two stone is released. Let's assume one is this stone drop, this is stone number 1, and another stone I want to draw with the different color for better clarification. It is stone 2. So in this question it is given the path OA is parabolic. So if this path parabolic, so before going this path, I will tell you, if you see the relative acceleration of 1 with respect to 2. So the both are experience acceleration g downward. If both is experience acceleration g downward, so we can say that the A12 is equal to g minus z. That is called 0. Means that is in relative, the both stones moving with constant velocity. Both stones moving with constant velocity. Okay. If in relative the both stones are moving with a constant velocity, then if you can see this path is parabolic. If this path is parabolic, means there is no possibilities if the both are moving with a constant velocity in relative, that is means this path is not a parabolic. It should be a straight line. So here it is given, this hint is given that when the first particle is reaches at a point A, the second stone will start a motion. Did you understand what I am saying? The first particle reaches at point A, the second will start a motion. So means we can say that both particle dropped in different time. Okay. So if the both particles are dropped in different time, so we can very easily say that this path is parabolic path. So we can very easily calculate for 1 second how much height is covered by stone 1 in 1 second. Okay. So firstly, using a simple equation, we can write the stone height covered by stone 1 in 1 second And I want to tell you, till 1 second, the stone 2 is at rest. So simply, height h is equal to half of gt square. That is called h is equal to half 10 1, that is 5 meter. So during this second, this is moving with the 5 meter. This covered a 5 meter distance. Okay, very nice. Very nice. Now, after point A to B, this is the straight line path. Straight line path means A and B both are start moving. So if they both are start moving, means 1 and 2 both stones are start moving. So for path A to B, you can see that the separation is increases with the time. So we can write the separation between stone 1 and 2 increases with time. Okay. So here some velocity is v is obtained by 1, which is nothing but it is 10 meter per second, because v is equal to gt. So gt is 10 meter per second. Understood? So at any time t, and t is greater than 1 second. We remember at time t and t is greater than 1 second, the separation, so distance covered by s1 is what? S1 is what? It is Vt plus half of Gt square. And distance covered by S2 is what? It is half of Gt square. So separation is nothing S1 minus S2, that is called delta S, which is Vt plus half Gt square minus half of Gt square. So finally this cancel out. You can say that the delta S is equal to Vt. So now the separation is going in a straight line with a constant velocity. Now what is happening? I tell you, at this point B, you can say that, yaar bro, at this point B, again the path is called parabolic. So if this path is parabolic, means the particle stone 1 is reaches here at time t equal to 3 seconds. That's all. Finish this question. Stone 1 is reaches here at the ground. Means for the better understanding, see here, this is your ground and this is the tower, and stone 1 is released from here at t equal to 0. So this stone 1 is reaches here at t equal to 3 seconds. That's all. So simply we can say that height of the tower is height of the tower h is equal to half of gt square. So h is equal to half of g is nothing, it is 10 and 3 is 9. So that is called h is equal to 45 meter. So we can very easily calculate the height of the tower. First of all, so options are given 25 meter, 30 meter, 40 meter and 45 meter. So my answer is 45 meter. Understood? Now I want to go with the next approach. When the first stone hits the ground, the second stone was moving. So actually, stone 1 takes totally 3 seconds, but stone 2 will start a motion after 1 second. After 1 second means here t equal to 1 second the motion will start. So at t equal to 3 seconds the particle is here. So this height is covered by the S2 H prime. So height covered by stone 2 in 2 second interval. Okay, so if it is 2 second interval, so we can say that h prime is equal to half of gt square again. So it is h prime is equal to half 10 and that is called 4. So it is 5. So answer is h prime is equal to 20 meter. Now next part of this question is saying that you can locate the speed also. Generally my answer will come, but we want a speed also. So speed at this point, simply v prime is equal to gt, and g is nothing, it is 10, and time interval is 2 seconds, so that is called 20 meter per second. So our answer is 20 meter per second at a height of 20 meter. I request from each and every student, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming Pathfinder kinematics solution in such a very small way. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.